Have you ever felt as though you were a sponge, soaking up the emotions around you, the joys, sorrows, fears, and hopes of others, merging with your own like colors, blending on a canvas? It's a beautiful yet often overwhelming reality that many empaths face. The profound ability to feel deeply isn't a burden, but a gift. Yet it demands a journey towards mastering the art of release, to differentiate between the self and the surround, to cherish one's own essence amidst the emotional orchestra we are part of. Step 1. Self-recognition and embrace. The first step in this gentle unfolding is to acknowledge the empath within, to embrace this tender aspect of your being. When we recognize our empathic nature, we create a soft landing for our own emotions amidst the echoes of others. Picture Sarah, a counselor, who felt the silent tremors of her client's fears, yet found solace in understanding her own empathic resonance. Step 2. Establishing boundaries. Now, as you stand on the shores of empathy, it's crucial to draw a line on the sands, a boundary that honors your own emotional space. Like a tree that stands firm amidst the wind, establishing boundaries helps you remain rooted. Look at John, a devoted father and husband who learned to express his own needs within his family, creating a harmonious rhythm between giving and receiving. Step 3. Mindfulness and reflection. As we venture further, the practice of mindfulness invites us to become the silent witness to our emotional landscape, to differentiate between the self and the echoed emotions. Reflect upon the tale of Emma, a compassionate nurse, who through meditation found a calm space amidst the emotional whirlwinds she encountered daily. Step 4. The nurture of nature and solitude. Nature, our gentle companion, invites us to shed the collected energies and return to our untouched essence. Solitude, too, is a soft melody that tunes us back to our own inner rhythm. As you walk the quiet trails of solitude and nature, you'll find a sweet release from the entangled emotions, like leaves falling softly from the trees. Step 5. Cultivation of joy. Finally, the cultivation of joy is like a light that guides us through the dense forest of external emotions. Engage in what makes your heart sing its own song, unaccompanied by the chorus of others. Let the story of Michael, an artist, remind you how immersing in his own creative joy led him to a space where empathy and self-expression danced in harmony. Step 6. Engage in expressive outlet. Expression is the river through which our internal world flows outward, creating ripples in the universe. Engage in expressive outlets, be it painting, writing, dancing, or any form that resonates with your soul. Take the example of Olivia, a writer whose words became the bridge between her inner world and the overwhelming emotions she absorbed from around. Step 7. Practice compassionate detachment. Compassionate detachment is an art of holding space for others without getting entangled in their emotional webs. It's about being present, yet not absorbed. Consider the journey of Matthew, a social worker who learned to listen, to be present, yet to keep his emotional sphere intact, which in turn allowed him to be a beacon of support for those he served. Step 8. Seek supportive communities. Surround yourself with supportive communities who understand the nuances of being an empath. In the comforting presence of like-hearted individuals, you'll find a space of understanding, a soft cushion for your empathic nature. The story of Anna, who found solace and growth in a group of empathic individuals, unfolds the significance of supportive companions on this journey. Step 9. Continuous learning and growth. The path of self-discovery and mastering the art of release is an ongoing journey. Continue to learn, grow, and evolve. There's a myriad of resources, books, workshops, and courses that can provide insights and tools to navigate the empathic journey while cherishing your own essence. Ladies and gentlemen, each step on this path is a whisper of freedom, a tender untying of the knots that bind us to the external emotional ties. As you walk this path, may you find a harmonious dance between feeling the world deeply, yet holding on to your serene center, where your own essence blooms untouched by the transient waves of external emotions. May the journey unveil the quiet, resilient space within, where your own spirit, gentle yet unyielding, finds its rightful expression. Amidst the symphony of emotions, may you discover your own tune, sweet and clear, resonating through the vastness of your being.